RamBox is an available cargo management system that includes built-in storage bins and, if equipped, a truck bed cargo divider and bed rail tie-down system. You'll find the storage bins on both sides of the pickup box. They provide weatherproof, lockable, illuminated storage for up to 300 pounds or 136 kilograms of evenly distributed cargo. Open it upward and the storage light will automatically turn on. Press the button to turn the light off. On the driver's side, you'll also find a 115-volt power outlet that can be turned on with a switch located to the left of the steering wheel. You can lock the bins with your key fob or use the provided emergency key. If water gets into the cargo bin, just pull up on the edge of the removable drain plug. To reinstall the plug, push it back down into place. The bed divider gives you two functional positions, storage and divider. The divider position helps to keep cargo from moving around the truck bed. To install the bed divider into the divider position, first make sure the center handle is unlocked using the vehicle key and rotate the center handle vertically to release the divider's side gates. Then, with the side gates open, position the divider so the outboard ends align with the intended slots in the sides of the bed. Rotate the side gates closed so the outboard ends are secured into the intended slots of the bed. Rotate the center handle horizontally to secure the side gates in the closed position. Then, lock the center handle to secure the panel in place. When not in use, put the cargo divider into storage position at the front of the bed to maximize bed storage. You may need to release the divider from its current position. If so, just use the vehicle key to unlock the center handle and turn it vertically. Then, move the divider forward to the front panel. Rotate the side gates closed with the outboard ends in the front of the tie-down loops. Return the center handle to the horizontal position to secure the side gates and relock the center handle to discourage theft. The bed rail tie-down system uses two adjustable cleats on each side of the bed to help you secure your cargo. Locate each cleat, then tighten it into one of the side rail positions, and you've got a secure tie-down loop. To move the cleat along the rail, turn the nut several times counterclockwise, pull outward, and slide the cleat to the desired side rail position. Then, set the cleat and tighten it down. You'll also find tie-down hooks at each corner of the bed near the floor. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.